Hi, Raquel Lowe, soulologist. So I just wanted to come in and have a little chat about something that I'd been noticing over the last couple of weeks and really going through a period of quiet peacefulness, which is a blessing. And I guess the people that I'm moving around with are in more of an alignment. But it's given me a chance to notice small things out of alignment. So, what I first started to notice was that if someone made a joke or said something that was sort of a lower vibration or anything that wasn't pretty much, you're amazing, autonomous, I unconditionally love you, if there was a joke made, I noticed the other person making a joke back, right? And you would have noticed this before, but I started to just observe how any sort of like if it was a sarcastic thing trying to get something done in the house or anything like that, if it's not coming from this really beautiful pure higher vibration request or statement, it was really just resulting in the same thing coming back at whoever it was that was in this lower vibration. So I started to really pause around that and reflected on all of the times where that's the case, that um, when we're expressing anything that's coming from a more negative place. And even if we're holding on to it, we're not expressing it, but the energy, the thinking, and the feeling is of a negative judgment or a lower vibration. I see how that impacts the other person, and how even when we're trying to make a change for the better, if we're coming from that negative vibration or a judgment, it's not going to work. And I started to think about that at a psychological level and could see that if someone made a joke, then the other person was hurt and they would make a joke back and the thing didn't get done. And then I started to think about it in terms of the energy that's happening with that and the universal laws of divine oneness, that we're all connected and that our thoughts, feelings, and energy connect with another. And even if something's not expressed, it's connecting. And the universal law of cause and effect, that everything that we do has a reaction or a consequence. And the law of attraction, which is whatever energies we're putting out there is what we will eventually receive. So there's lots of universal laws and they're all interconnected, but I just thought that it was really beautiful to think about in terms of our psychology, our spirituality, our thoughts, and our physical world, to really take notice of how you see that play out in the people around you and how you see it play out. And part of what we're trying to do, or what I'm trying to do, is get to this place where it's impeccability in positive energy and in impeccability in where I'm coming from and absolute alignment. And I think it's a great little learning experiment to watch how things bounce off each other in this energetic way, so that we can do lots with that. We can actually come from a place that's not of a place of judgment, and that's a place of true, authentic, loving energy, and also be able to not engage in one of those vibrational circular patterns if it's starting to happen, and also start to choose and transmute negative energies into more positive energies. And I just wanted to leave that with you so that you could have a little think about it, a little play with it. Thanks. Bye.